Let's get into the bass. And at the bass, what I've done is create less dynamics at quite a clever way, because we're not crushing the entire thing. What we're doing is limiting a little bit the peaks, but not too much, and upward compressing it with 4 dB. This is really the key, because it brings up the lower level information. That way we have decreased dynamics while keeping the same peak level, and that's exactly what you want. This button is really important if you use this on separate stems. Why? Because it keeps the input and output peak signal at the same level. What does that mean? Well, if you limit your bass and it gets louder, this automatically lowers it, so it stays the same in relationship to other elements, but you're increasing the crest factor of your entire track, mostly because the bass line is so important for this.